Hi everybody, this is John Graham with the Georgia Baptist Mission Board. I hope you're having a great day. And it's Christmas musical season. Now this applies, what I'm about to share with you applies to anything going on with your church. But I know that you've got some ways that you want to reach out to your community. And one of the best tools that we have at our disposal for reaching our community is Facebook. Now that's not what this particular tutorial is about per se. But as it relates to video, Facebook Live is just everywhere. I know that you've got a neighbor that has done Facebook Live of, I don't know, opening a birthday present or whatever. And Facebook, people are drawn to Facebook Live. Now, if your church already has a Facebook page, then you can use this. I want to show you how to get anything on your computer or on your display screen into Facebook Live. It's pretty amazing. If your church does not have a Facebook page, get one today. There are millions and millions and millions of people on Facebook. You know this. Your church should be using it. All right. So let's assume that you've got a page and you've got some kind of an audience, and a few people sharing your video, your Facebook Live video, will draw in hundreds, perhaps even thousands of potential guests to your church and really increase the brand of your church. So I'm going to show you how to get anything that is playing on your computer, whether it be live, whether it be whatever you can see on your screen, you can get it into Facebook Live. So let's figure out how to do that. First, we're going to go to a website called, it's not here, it's right here, Open Broadcast Software. All right, Open Broadcast Software. So the URL for that is obsproject.com. You will see the three familiar logos, Windows, Apple, and Linux, and select Download Installer, and you'll install it just like anything you've ever installed on your computer. So once you have downloaded that, let me show you what it looks like. It opens up, it looks like this. All right, so here's a preview screen that is very boring and very black, and there's nothing exciting about it. Right here are scenes. We're not going to talk about that today. We're only going to talk about sources and streaming. So let's go to sources. We're going to add a source, and we're going to select display capture. We're going to create a new display capture and select OK. And now, whoa, what just happened? That's because it selected the display that I'm actually using. However, if you have two displays coming out of your computer or laptop, two monitors essentially, this starts to get a lot easier. You can still use it with just one, but it's a whole lot easier if you have a multiple display situation with your computer. I'll show you why. So when I go right here to display, set on display 0, if I go to display 1, look what I've got playing over here. It's just a YouTube video I pulled up of another church and their Christmas production. So we pulled up this video and it's playing on this other screen, and I'm going to select OK. And now what am I going to do with that? Well, let's go over to our settings right here. And let me hide my face there so we can see everything clearly. Select settings right here. And over here you'll see stream. So I'm going to select stream. And what kind of service? Well, there's tons that they've already preloaded. Again, remember, this software is free. Facebook is free. You can't get any better than that. They've already preloaded all this stuff, but Facebook Live, we're going to select that. It's already got some features built in. Now, you'll notice here, it should probably, on the first time you use it, it'll be an empty box here. You'll see Stream Key. What is that? Well, let me show you. Go over to your church's Facebook page. And this one I'm going to use for Church Video Guy. By the way, I'd love it if you would follow me on that page, Church Video Guy page on Facebook. Hope to get some information up there frequently. But if you go to the Church Video Guy, go to your Facebook page, and over here on the top you'll see Publishing Tools. All right, select Publishing Tools, and then you're going to go select Videos. And now we're going to select right here, Live. All right. So when I select Live, it's going to give me a unique key here. All I've got to do is copy this stream key right here. So I'm going to copy, and then but don't click Next yet. I'll show you why. I go over here on OBS. We'll hit Paste, and we'll select OK. Then we start the streaming because we've got to give Facebook something to look for. So then we select Next, And Facebook is looking for it, and I think it's going to find it. We'll see. Hopefully so. It takes a second, as you can tell. There it is. So there's the preview of what it's seeing. There's about a 5 or 10 second delay after the fact of what's coming into your computer display that's going into Facebook Live. So I'm going to call this video title. I'm going to say that's going to go live on my page. I'm just going to call it test. All right, because I'll delete that in a second. I'm going to go live, and now I am live. Now I want to, as soon as I get the option, I want to quickly close this, okay? And I'll tell you why. As soon as I get the option, did it go away? Yes, I want to close this as soon as I can. The reason is I will start looping the audio, and that's going to sound horrible. So I closed that, but if I go back to my page, you'll see that I am indeed live broadcasting. There it is right there. And I'm broadcasting this great church's musical from I don't know when. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to end my stream just so you saw how it worked. Stop streaming, and it will stop there on my Facebook page. Oop, that's the YouTube page. Come on, John, get back there. And there it is. It's no longer live. And in fact, I'm going to refresh that to prove it to you. It's gone now. It's no longer live, okay? So I'm probably going to delete that, and I'll replace it with this video right here. So you'll be able to find out all about how to do this in the future. So what are some applications for this? Well, maybe you've got a performance that you don't have the manpower, you can't get it done live, but you could perhaps broadcast it live on Facebook Christmas Eve, and people could tune in and watch it then. Or you could do last year's musical and put in some text that said, hey, by the way, don't miss this coming musical. This is what we did last year, and we're going to be able to do this year. Maybe it's as simple as just your kids' musical. Whatever you do, get the word out about your church. Use Facebook Live to build an audience, and it's a great, great tool. If you need any help, I'm happy to help. You can reach me here on Church Video Guys Facebook page. You can reach me at the Georgia Baptist Mission Board, John Graham, Jon, and then Graham, just like the cracker, at gabaptist.org. So glad to help any way I can, and I hope you have a great Christmas and enjoy using all the free technology we can find.